Exercise for weight loss keeps it off. What do you want to know about exercise for weight loss? Regular exercise should consist of a combination of cardio and strength training. Be sure to talk to your doctor to find out if it is okay to begin an exercise routine, especially if you have an underlying medical condition such as heart disease or high blood pressure. Regular exercise will eventually help to lower your blood pressure, but initially may raise it to a level your doctor may not be comfortable with, so have that conversation and do what your doctor says is okay to do. Cardio exercises consist of walking or running on a treadmill, using a stair stepper, elliptical machine or stationary bike, and getting your heart rate up to a maximum level and sustaining that rate for 15 to 20 minutes. Cardio exercises will strengthen your heart and lungs and increase stamina. The other type of exercise for weight loss is strength training. Strength training consists of using exercise machines and free weights either at home or in a gym. The best way to tell if you are doing the exercises correctly is to have someone watch you while you do a set to make sure your form is correct. Incorrect form can cause injuries and nobody wants to be in pain. When you know that your form is correct, choose a weight that is comfortable and do your sets slow and controlled. Never bounce or fling the weight up and down. Slow and controlled is the way to go if you want maximum results. Also, there is a new theory that states if you just do one set with a heavier weight and take your muscles to fatigue, which means you could not do one more rep even if you wanted to, you will get even faster results. I know you have probably tried every diet known to man and keep wondering what you are doing wrong. You lose a little here and there, but it never stays off. You just can't stay on those diets. You gain everything you lost back again and may even gain more weight. You need to stop jumping on every new fad diet that comes down the pike. They will never work. What does work, however, is managing your diet, paying attention to what it is you are putting in your mouth, and getting regular exercise. Make it a routine. Make an appointment with yourself every day at the same time and do not stand yourself up. Treat your workout appointment just like you would your doctor's appointment. You wouldn't miss that, would you? No, you wouldn't, and you cannot afford to miss your workout either. Your diet should be full of lean meats, fish, fresh fruits and vegetables. Stay away from high-carb foods like bread and potatoes. Learn new healthy ways to cook. Learn how to read the labels of the foods you buy. Make sure that the fat percentage to the total calories is no more than 30%. Combining diet and exercise for weight loss is the way to lose the extra pounds forever.